how to link Spotify to Instagram. So if you want to link your Spotify to your Instagram, then first you need to open up Instagram application. Now what you need to do is just simply go with your messages, which is on the top right. And under messages, you need to go with the left side where you have your note option. Now once you find your note, you need to tap on the music icon. You'll see the prompt of link Spotify. In my case, I don't have that option, but right here under the For You or Trending or Saved section, right below that, you will have link Spotify option. You just need simply tap on link Spotify and it will directly take you to the Spotify without you doing anything. For every song you play on Spotify will appear right to your note. Well, that's it. It was that simple, but make sure that you have the link to Spotify option on your note. If you don't find it, you can just simply go and update your application, and with the newest update, you will have that option. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.